Hi again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tina Amrine, and I'm Some Chick on Keto. So thanks again for joining in. I wanted to talk today about some tools for a keto low carb lifestyle that may help you on your journey. So whenever you go out to do a job, tools always help you, right? They make your life a little bit easier and they help you to perform your work better sometimes or faster. And so I wanted to talk about some things that you could use on your ketogenic low carb lifestyle that may really benefit you and help you. And just so that you know, this is not a sponsored video. These are just things that I believe personally benefited me when I was starting. So I thought I'd share them. The first one I wanted to mention is called MCT Oil. And this is just a clean burning oil. It stands for medium chain triglyceride oil. It's just a oil that goes into your body that the body just, it goes straight, I believe, into the liver, and it just kind of gives you some quick energy. And it's a clean fat, you know, it's 100% coconut oil, and your body just gets a great boost from this type of oil. I like to use it in my coffee. Some people use it in smoothies. Some people just add it to their cooking or to a salad dressing. But for me, I actually love it in my coffee. And with this kind of stuff, you want to start slow. So maybe you start with half a teaspoon or quarter teaspoon, and you just eventually kind of work your way up, maybe to a tablespoon, and go from there. And you can have this every day, and it's really actually one of those good and healthy fats for you. The next thing I wanted to talk about is pickleball. So pickleball is an electrolyte drink, and this is something that will help you balance out those minerals that you lose when you start a ketogenic lifestyle, or maybe even a low carb lifestyle, depending on how low carb you are. So a lot of times what happens when you're on that ketogenic lifestyle, your kidneys is flushing out a lot of water, and with it is going a lot of nutrients, sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium. And these things, if you start getting low in those areas, you're going to start feeling run down, you're going to get leg cramps, and you're going to just feel like you have the flu. Well, this is kind of one way to kind of combat that. Is to replenish those minerals so you don't have that feeling and you still feel not depleted. You know, you have a normal feeling about you. And I know for the first couple months that I was doing keto, this was really, really helpful for me because I hadn't learned how to balance my diet well enough yet to ensure that I was naturally getting all those things. And that's one thing that's important with keto, is that you've got to eat a lot of healthy vegetables, healthy fats. You've got to salt your food, which is just so contrary to what we've kind of grown up believing. But, you know, it takes a while to adapt. And this is why a tool like this can really help in your bag. So the next thing I'd like to talk about, and actually this one you can do a drink every day, you can do a drink every other day. It's kind of just as you feel you need it. It is a bit expensive. It's about $45 on Amazon. That's where I ordered it from. The MCT oil, I actually got that at Publix, which is a major grocery store here in the eastern United States. And the third thing I'd like to talk about is a Keto Mojo. I really love this little device, and it actually comes with an app, and the device itself has a Bluetooth feature which pairs with your phone, and it will actually send all your readings for your blood glucose and for your ketones directly to your phone, so you don't have to remember everything. It's a nice way to make sure that you're staying in ketosis, especially when you're learning about everything. So again, for the first couple months, maybe even 3 months, this was really critical because I was learning how to eat a ketogenic diet and keep my ketones in check. Because if my ketones are good in my system, then I know I'm still in ketosis. And eventually I was sort of able to, I ran out of strips and I got lazy and didn't order any. But eventually I was able to tell when I was still in keto because I was continually losing weight. And then the holidays hit, and I did a wonderful low carb Thanksgiving dinner, but maybe was not quite so successful for Christmas. And that's okay. The beauty of this diet is that you can pick back up and get yourself back into keto. And sometimes you have special occasions where you kind of move in and out. So maybe it's your child's birthday, you want to enjoy a piece of birthday cake because you got them a cake, and that's okay. It's you're going to have to live your life while you're on this journey, and there are going to be little indulgences that you're going to want to have, but it's okay. You can make allowances for little things in your life and then pick right back up. Don't stay there. Pick right back up. Get right back into it. And the more time that you stay in being strict on your diet and living a clean keto lifestyle or clean low carb lifestyle, the better your body is at recovering from those things. And like I said, these are little tools and tricks of the trade that I feel are extremely helpful. And there's lots of information out there about them. This one you would have to actually go to the Keto Mojo website in order to order. Again, this one was available on Amazon, and this one was available at my local grocery store at the Publix. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. I'm so glad that you were able to join me. Your time is valuable to me, and I really appreciate you. So just remember, I am not a doctor. I am not an expert. I am just some chick on keto, but I'm here to support you. Take care and God bless. Bye.